So once again, I gotta get out my broom. I can't be having this dirty truck. Dirty truck. See that? I'm gonna have to wipe it down with a baby wipe. Armor all white. But I got the broom. Look at this. It keeps happening. This just irritates me. Right there. Irritates me. This one's been in the mud. Excuse me. Been in the mud. Switch hands. Gotta chisel it. Been in the mud. Come here. Look at the other side. The other side ain't as bad, but we still gotta sweep it. Okay. Tires. Automatic air inflators. Still gotta kick them. Mud flaps. Mud flaps. Look at your brakes. Oh, I know. I can't do that shit. Right there. You ever been chased down for a tire? For a window?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Because I try to make sure I ain't got no new damn thing.
Well, you get 32 years in like me, it's gonna happen.
I got 16.
Okay. There we go. Tires is good. Gotta check the seal. Lights, 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 lights. Believe it or not, that light's gotta work too. 1122. You look across at your other brakes. See nothing hanging down. Alright, that one's good. And you actually get up under here and you look at that kingpin and make sure that some gun's latched. And the other tires. That's good. Now, I can get on the road to Shreveport.